Thanks, Alex. About 10,000 Southern Coloradans who have their health insurance through Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield may have to find a new doctor by the end of the month. That's if the insurance company and CommonSpirit Health do not come to a new agreement. There are 4 CommonSpirit hospitals in our area: Penrose and St. Francis hospitals in Colorado Springs, St. Thomas More in Canyon City, and St. Mary Corwin in Pueblo. News 5's Lindsay Jensen joins us now to break down what is happening and the impacts to patients. Lindsay?
Well, Anthem Health Insurance and CommonSpirit's agreement since 2020 could end May 1st. Right now, the 2 companies cannot make a deal, which is causing panic among Anthem Insurance members.
It is crazy. It's not fair.
Robert Patrick got a letter from CommonSpirit saying he may lose his primary care doctor.
May 1st. That's in a few weeks.
Yeah, not even a month.
Robert says he cannot afford to keep his doctor and pay out of pocket.
I have type 2 diabetes and hypertension, and I need to see my physician about every 3 months.
He has been with the same doctor for 7 years.
I'm really comfortable with him. I can tell him exactly what's going on, what I'm feeling. So it's really nice to have that relationship built up over all those years, and I may lose that now.
Anthem Insurance says CommonSpirit is charging too much for medical care.
CommonSpirit is already one of the highest cost providers in the state. And so any rate increases that they're asking for, which again, what they're asking for is 3 times the rate of inflation.
CommonSpirit says healthcare costs are going up. I asked CommonSpirit about this issue. In a statement, the chief medical officer says Anthem has been failing to reimburse them on time.
Would you say that there has been a struggle in the past to make those end meets and reimburse CommonSpirit?
No, I don't think so.
Robert hopes they can make a deal soon. If not, he worries about finding a doctor elsewhere who is taking new patients.
Which isn't necessarily easy in this overpopulated city.
If these 2 companies part ways and you have ongoing major medical needs, it's recommended to call Anthem about your specific insurance plan to talk about your health care options moving forward. Andy?